Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to resolve tax form discrepancies in Gusto. Now, whether you're an admin or a business owner, spotting and fixing these issues early will help you to stay compliant and stress-free during tax seasons. So let's get into how to get this done. Now, first step, identify the discrepancy. Now start by heading to your tax documents section in Gusto and look for any red flags like mismatched employee information or incorrect wages amounts or missing EINs. Gusto often highlights these issues in your to-do list or sends an alert via email. Step 2, compare with payroll records. Next, you want to cross-reference the form in question, like a W-2 or 1099, with your actual payroll reports and employee profile. Pay close attention to employee names, SSN, that's the social security numbers, and address. You also want to pay attention to total wages and tax withholdings, as well as any benefits that may affect the reported income. Step 3, make corrections in Gusto. Now, once you pinpoint the issue, you want to go into Gusto and edit the employee's information or adjust payroll entries if needed. For example, if a social security number was entered incorrectly, you can correct it under the employee's personal detail. Step 4, request a corrected form. Now, after updating the records, you will likely need to request a corrected tax form. So Gusto automatically generates amended forms like a W-2C when discrepancies are fixed. So just give it a few days and you're going to see the updated documents in your dashboard. Step 5, notify the employee or contractor. If the form affects a team member, let them know a correction is in progress. Once it's ready, they're going to be able to download the revised form from their Gusto employee portal. Bonus tip for run a year-end review. Now, Gusto offers tools to review and confirm all tax information before forms are filed. Now, you can use this in December or early January to catch errors early, as well as to avoid amended filings. And that's how you fix tax form discrepancies in Gusto. Clean records make for smooth tax season, so stay proactive and keep your information accurate. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Gusto tips. That's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.